A lot of my business is telling my clients' stories through design. I'm Andrea Darwin, and I'm the founder and chief creative of Andrea Darwin Design, a full-service interior design consultancy. We handle anything from upholstery to refinishing to renovation work. Pretty much anything and everything design related we handle. It's rare that I ever take my foot off of the accelerator. There's a lot that goes into running a business. It's contractor management, project management, the administrative things. I am a one-woman band. I want to bring my clients the best, and FedEx Office helps me do that with all of the different projects that I undertake. I started approaching them about the products that I use, whether it be the notepads, the yard signs, t-shirts, flags, the thank you cards. All of that collateral is a big part of my business and what I put out to clients, and so they've done an exceptional job helping me showcase my brand. There's really no limit to what FedEx Office can do. It's so much more than printing and shipping. I mean, anything and everything that you can imagine, they're going to be able to handle it for you. The Andrea Darwin Design brand is bringing clients peace of mind, and I think that's another big part of what I value in FedEx Office. I know that if I bring them a printing project or if I need to ship something and I need it quickly, I know that they're going to be able to handle like every type of need that I have as far as that project goes. Having the relationship, having that peace of mind and knowing that everything's going to get handled properly and taken care of for me in a record time is essential. I'm grateful that I get to wake up every day and do work that I love, and I thank FedEx Office for all of the support they've given me on this journey.